Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TRIBIT StormBox Pro portable Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not pairing with Bluetooth, if it keeps disconnecting, not responding, any kind of issue like this can very often fix it. Now if you can't get it fixed and you decide you need a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a 5-star speaker at a great price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this reset is if for whatever reason you just want to delete the pairing history off of it so that you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker. We can go ahead and do that. It's super simple to do on this speaker. All we need to do is with the speaker on, we're just going to come in and find the minus and the plus buttons, or the volume down, volume up buttons, and press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. That will, after the 5 seconds, that will cause the speaker to factory reset to its default settings, at which point you can go ahead and set it up like it's just coming out of the box.